Lately, I've been craving simplicity. As a mom, life can get loud, and this little routine is my quiet moment. Just 10 minutes where I can slow down, breathe, and remind myself that I still matter too. I used to get ready just to rush out of the door. Now I get ready to feel grounded. Every brushstroke feels like a reminder to slow down, that it's okay to take my time. I'm learning that makeup isn't about hiding anything. It's about reconnecting with the woman underneath it all, the one who's still growing and still becoming. I've stopped chasing perfection. I just want to feel peaceful, radiant, and real. There's something so freeing about embracing my natural beauty. The texture, the glow, the effort that just looks so effortless. Peace really does look good on me. And I think confidence starts when you finally stop trying so hard to impress everyone else. There was a time I didn't recognize a woman in the mirror. Between motherhood, deadlines, and doing it all. But now I see her. I see her differently. She's growing, she's learning to pour into herself again, one small act at a time. Before I pour into the world, I thank God for the woman I'm becoming, for the strength to show up even when I don't feel like it, for the grace that carries me, for the peace that grounds me. This glow isn't just from products, it's gratitude, peace, and purpose. This look is simple, natural, and confidence boosting. But more than that, it's peace in motion. A reminder that beauty doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to feel like you. So if you're watching this and you've been forgetting yourself lately, this is your sign. Slow down, take your time, pour back into you. You're doing better than you think, and you're just getting started. Love yourself, and love yourself well, because your future self is depending on it.